I recently made a video where I fried some eggs in a completely unseasoned cast iron skillet and they didn't stick. And I did this to show that if you get the right mix of heat and oil, temperature and technique, that even an unseasoned cast iron skillet will be non-stick. So it's not the seasoning, or at least not only the seasoning, that makes cast iron cookware non-stick. And then someone said, yeah, but can you do that with cornbread? And I don't know. And so I went and found a skillet and I'm going to try that now. So this is a Lodge, 3-notch Lodge skillet that I just took out of the electrolysis tank and I scrubbed it down, and it's completely unseasoned, and I'm going to give it a shot. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of shortening. It seems like a lot, so I'm going to leave some on there. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and let it cook, and you'll see the final results. Alright, it's done cooking. Now this is not how I would normally get my cornbread out of a skillet, but since I'm testing it, I want to see if this works. Here we go. It came right out, and there is nothing stuck on the bottom but a couple crumbs that I can probably clean out with just a paper towel. And that's it. It looks like on a completely unseasoned skillet you can actually cook cornbread on there if you just get the right amount of oil and heat. And actually I didn't use as much of the shortening as the recipe called for. It called for 2 tablespoons. I think there was probably 1.5 in there, which is, granted, quite a bit of shortening that I put in there, more than some other recipes called for. But as you can see, it's not the seasoning, or at least not only the seasoning, that causes non-stick cookware to be causes cast iron cookware to be non-stick.